Alright, so I have a little problem here. There's a banana plant that's right next to the mango. You see there's a banana right there, the trunk, right next to it. So initially when I planted this mango tree about 10 years ago, I did not prune it and shape it to make it look like a tree. So it kind of grew, in all different directions, and the trunk is a little weak right there. So I kind of need that. It kind of needs a banana plant behind it to support. So, but the problem is that banana leaves is gonna block the sun. So I want to keep the banana plant for support. Oh look, there's a still flowering Cherimoya. So I want this banana plant here for support, but I don't want it to shade out the tree. So see, it's leaning against the trunk, the banana trunk here, and that's the stem. So I use this black wheat cloth to protect the trunk from the sun scar. So what I'm gonna do is just remove this banana leaf. So that's what I've been doing, is whenever the banana leaf comes up, I just removed it. Okay, I'm gonna go and remove the banana leaf. Okay, so it is. It's been removed. Now I got more sunlight. And there's a banana, a mango for the mango tree. So much better now. And then while we're here, oh look, there's new leaves. Okay, today is Sunday, September the 10th, and these are the 3 mangoes I picked on the 7th, 3 days ago. And these 2 are the mahachanook, and this one is the fruit punch. It has a pretty good smells right now, but not that strong. So this mahachanook, I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and let's see how that's gonna taste after it's in the fridge. And this one has a pretty good smells right now. Can't tell what kind of smell it is, but anyway, I don't want it to let it overripe, because last time it was I think it was a bit overripe when I ate it. So it's still a bit green, so I'm gonna cut it up and try it. And this one has really good smells, much better smells than this other one, mahachanook, the fruit punch. I'll let it ripen up for another day or 2, and then I'll put it in the fridge. So the mahachanook is actually fiberless. and the skin is really thin, has a really thin skin. You see, it's like you can practically peel it off. See? Super thin skin. Okay, time to try it. So, looks much better than the last one. I think the last one I ate was overripe. This one, has good flavor. It doesn't have that durian smell, but when you eat into it, it has pretty good flavor and sweet. Okay, really good. So I think the key is to pick it while it's not too ripe on the tree, and let it sit on the counter for a few days, but not too long, to the point that it doesn't get, turn completely yellow. And because then I think that's gonna be a bit overripe and has gonna internal breakdown. So I think this is just perfect. Really good. So totally fiberless. No fiber at all. It's like zero fiber. This part has some fiber, but the flesh, when you eat it here, has no zero flavor. I mean fiber. Okay, so here's the seed with no embryo of the mahachanook. So it seems like all of them that I ate are like this, has zero seeds in it. So you see this part here, this is the only fiber part, and this part here, there's no fiber here on the side. So this part is only fiber part. So the whole entire flesh is really fiberless. So you see, there's like nothing in here. There's like no embryo. So fiberless except for this part only.